Hello, my name's Don Elbreg, Industrial Technology Teacher at Roncalli High School, Indianapolis, Indiana, USA. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use a desktop computer, a projector, document camera, interactive whiteboard, and a tablet with a live conferencing app to not only integrate technology into your daily lessons, but to also teach those integrated technology lessons virtually to students at home while you're teaching at the same time live in your classroom. In the lower right hand corner we have that what looks like a white sheet of paper icon with the green circle with the white plus sign in there. I'm going to click on that to add a blank slide. Now, instead of using the mouse, you can hold down your finger anywhere on the interactive whiteboard and it will bring up this task menu. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click Set Background Fill. Now it gives me all the color options over here on the right. I'm going to click the lighter of the two gray options here. Okay? Now I have my gray background. I'm going to again click to the left, the arrow to the left, to go to our previous example slide. Okay? Now I want to go ahead and type in my good morning text. Clicking that arrow in the lower right hand corner to advance to the slide we just set the gray background for. Now, on this tray down here, there's an icon on here that looks like a keyboard. So I'm going to press that, and then it brings up this keyboard. And just like on the desktop computer, you just start typing, and it will start typing the text, and then you can move it around. Good morning. And then again, shift, exclamation point. And now you can see in the upper left-hand corner is that message that says good morning. Okay, now you can just hit this X in the upper right-hand corner and it will go away. Like you typically would with your mouse, I just have to grab it with my finger and move it. Okay? Now, I want to change it to red. As you just go ahead and you click, right now it highlights the words good morning, and then I'm going to double click inside. I get my cursor. Okay? I'm going to click back over here to the left, and I'm going to just drag my finger. I'm making contact with the interactive whiteboard, but I'm dragging my finger all the way across. Now that it's highlighted, here is this 3x3 color array, right? This tool up here on this toolbar. I'm going to click on that, and I want it to be red, so I'm going to click the red box. And now that I have it highlighted, I'm going to, again, like I mentioned, click off to the side, and now it's red. I want to drag in now this timer. Okay, so I'm going to click that icon, right? It's the one that's two down from the upper right-hand corner. It looks like a photograph. And now you can, I'm going to highlight where you can type in your search items. Again, bring up, click that icon that looks like a keyboard, and I'm going to type in timers. Click that little magnifying glass icon, okay? And it says interactive and multimedia. So I'm going to click that, and you can see it's a very small version of the one that is right here, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and put my finger on it, and I'm going to drag it, and you can see it, a kind of a ghostly image of it. And then when I let go, it's going to drop into the slide. And now my timer, right, is at 5 minutes. You can, right, you have the hour, the minutes, and seconds. I'm going to go ahead and just make mine 3 minutes like it is on the example slide. And then I'm going to touch it and then drag it up to the upper right-hand corner. And now I want to show you how the picture capture tool works. I have some slides that are already scanned in. Okay, so this is our bell work, or an example of some of the bell work that we do with vertical lettering. And then there's this little icon again that has a white circle with a black pin inside. Click that, and I'm going to click the one on the left that actually selects it in either a square or a rectangle. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead highlight that. Now it gives the option to send to the current page, so it'll show up here, and that's what I'm going to do. You can also send it to a new page, but we don't need to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click send to the current page. And again, right, you just drag it you can see that it is copied, right? Practice is not enough, but and it's copied the same portion here. And now again, there's that little gray box in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to click that. Gives me my task menu, and I want to cut. Okay? And now I'm going to go back to the previous page, and I'm going to hold my finger down. Gives me the task menu again. Paste. Okay, now this is too large, right? So there's this dot on the lower right-hand corner. I grab that, and it allows me to make it smaller. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab it with my finger, drag it across. Now I'm going to use the document camera and the picture capture software on the interactive whiteboard to actually do some live drawing and show you how you can take pictures of it and insert it into your slides that you're working on live while you're teaching. Okay, so again, I'm going to use the document camera, and it's facing down at this truck that we've been working on in class. So I'm again going to do some live drawing, and I'm going to pause between steps to use the picture capture tool to save it and insert it into the file that I was just working on, showing how to use the interactive whiteboard to build a slide. Okay, so the first measurement that I want to look at here is from the windshield here, the top of the windshield. I'm looking at my reference sheet, and it shows a 15-degree angle. So I go ahead and adjust this to 15 degrees. The students can see this on the smartboard, and then I can take a picture capture snapshot and insert that into the presentation as well, which I'm going to do here right now. So I'm going to click the picture capture icon again. Click the one that gives me the option of making a nice four-sided figure. I'm going to select most of it. Send to a new page in the presentation. Close out of that. And again, just to show you, I'm going to click on the presentation file icon. And here is, here's that image of the adjustable angle set to 15 degrees. And what I need to do is from the top of the windshield, I'm going to go ahead and line up my adjustable angle to the top of the windshield. I'm going to draw a light 15-degree angle line that stops at this previous 45-degree angle line we drew. Again, I'm going to go ahead and press that picture capture icon. Select that. Send it to a new page in the presentation. X out again. So here is the circle template, and I'm going to show you here how to, again, just insert it by using picture capture to get it into the presentation. Here is the circle template, that the students are going to use. It's under the document camera. With this picture capture tool, again, I can go ahead and snap a photo of it, send it to the next page in the presentation, and there it is. One more thing I wanted to show you was how I talked to you about how you can be on the internet and use the picture capture tool to picture capture certain things that you want to insert into your presentation. So here I am at the Reimagine Education Conference site, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight a couple different things to insert into the slide. So here I have the Reimagine Education logo icon. Going back here to Internet. Okay. I can send that. So you can, again, you can pull things in from the internet that have to do with whatever topic you're teaching to help enhance your lessons live. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Reimagine Education for allowing me the opportunity to share this virtual presentation with you on how I use desktop computer, document camera, projector, interactive whiteboard, and tablet with video conferencing software to create interactive lessons that integrate technology for students live and via video conferencing. Thanks so much. If you have questions for me, you can email me at delbreg@roncalli.com. www.rhs.org.